site. It's a duplex house with a 3 bedroom, and in the ground floor there is one single BHK and also a shop area as well. I will also walk through the building and show you some interesting things that has been incorporated in this building. This is a east facing site which is 30 by 40. The plan is like this. So ground floor to have a single BHK house along with a shop area, and then it is also going to have a space for car parking and bike parking as well. Now first floor to second floor is going to be the duplex, where first floor is going to have a single bedroom house with a spacious living area, a spacious kitchen, a puja room, and the second floor is going to be 2 bedroom. So this is how the plan is going to be. So let me show you the complete steps that happen for 3 months so that you can understand everything. And if you're somebody who is constructing a house, this will give you a lot more idea on how exactly the construction is going to happen, so that you can make sure that ಈ ತಂತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು?